Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody's keeping safe and well. This won't be a very long vlog. All it is another vlog where I bring you and showcase to you some of the items, the caravan and camping related items that we are printing or that we're 3D printing and selling on the Giggly Prints Studio Etsy page. And this week it's a pair of items. There we go. So we've got two items there. Can you tell what they are, what they're for? Probably been given away in the thumbnail anyway. Let me show you what they're for. So if you're using an Aqua Roll, you'll be familiar with what these are. Basically, these are the two pieces that sit on the side of your U-shaped bit and your Aqua Roll. They normally end up in the front locker. They normally end up one side separated, that sort of stuff. But these devices, quite simple and easy. Basically, you stick them over there like so. Slide them down. Like so. And basically, they just keep them nice and tidy, keep them together in your front locker, and you can store them in your front locker. Quite ingenious. Well, not quite ingenious, quite simple really. Simple. Whoop, chucks it over there. Just slide them on like so. And there we go. So I'll leave a link to those down below. That'll take you straight to the Etsy store where you can purchase those if you need them. Again, like I said, just a short vlog where we showcase some of the items that we're 3D printing and selling on the Giggly Prints Studios Etsy shop. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and we shall notify you when we put out more vlogs.